everybody, and welcome to Virtual Open House. My name is Mrs. Lauren Kovach, and I am your student's pre-calculus teacher this year. Here is just a little bit of information about me. I graduated high school from North Royalton, and I am now a proud Brexville Broadview Heights B. I graduated college from the University of Toledo, where I earned my degree to teach mathematics grades 7 through 12. At the high school, I am the ACT and SAT test coordinator, and here are some pictures of my family. Last summer, I was married, so there are 2 pictures from our wedding, and together we have 3 cats. 2 of them are brothers, and we adopted a baby girl kitten in the spring. I have 2 sisters and a 6-year-old niece. Pre-calculus is an amazing course. It was my favorite math class when I was in high school. Pre-calc helps students improve their Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 trig skills. It helps students review for the ACT and SAT math questions. It also helps prepare them for their college math course, as well as prepare for an entrance exam if that applies to them. The general daily routine for pre-calc would be to check in homework, go over it and answer any questions, have students complete a formative, some type of warm-up problem, practice, take notes and complete examples together, and then have time for students to start the homework in class and potentially finish the homework on some days. Students will be using the online textbook, and this can be found at ebooks.cpm.org. All students signed up for their ebook during the first week of school, but I do want to take a moment to show you what that looks like and show you the homework help feature on problem 1-39. On the left-hand side are all the chapters and sections, so I'm going to pull up chapter 1 and 1.1.4. There's going to be an introduction, some classwork or notes problems. Some sections will include math notes, and then the review preview section are homework problems. So if I scroll down to problem 1-39, every review preview problem has this homework help link after it. So if your student is stuck and doesn't know how to start a problem, I really encourage them to use this homework help feature. So as you can see for this problem, at the top there are a few notes for them to reference back to. And then for the first triangle, letter A, it's going to give them a hint, more help, answer, and then part B would say to follow the same steps in part A. So sometimes this will walk a student through a whole problem, sometimes it will just give the first or second step, and sometimes it will just include the answer. It's really important for students to show their work, but I do encourage them to use this homework help feature if they are stuck. Google Classroom is going to be the main form of communication for students this year. Google Classroom will be used to post announcements, assignments, helpful resources or links, notes that are completed, and the weekly schedule. Here is a quick reminder that parent-teacher conferences are on November 5th this year, and these will be done virtually. More information to follow from administration at a later date. And lastly, some helpful information to you. So there is my email address. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me. Please check Progress Book to see how your student is doing and if they have any missing assignments. And lastly, my website, and I'm going to show you this. If you go to the high school portal page at start.bbhcsd.org, on the right-hand side, find my last name, Kovach, and in the top right corner is the pre-calculus section. So here is a copy of my classroom expectations, if you would like to read through this. And then here are the 2 pages for the red schedule, A through L last names, and the gold schedule, M through Z. So if we take a look at the gold schedule, this would show you what day is it, if your student is remote or in person, what's the learning goal, what is the lesson and homework assignment, and then the lesson or teacher notes are linked here for students in Google Classroom to access if they are absent. And then just the next couple days of the next week. Thank you so much for watching this. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions or comments, and am looking forward to a really great year with your student. Thanks.